Right, question 1. Nth term of a sequence is given by this. Write on the first 3 terms. So, first 3 terms, basically, when n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Remember, n just represents a number when it comes to nth term, and the first number is 1, right? Second number is 2, third number is 3. So we just sub it in. So if 1 squared minus 6, and n is 2, it would be 2 squared minus 6, and n is 3, it would be 3 squared minus 6. So we're going to work them out. Now, because it's a calculator paper, I'm not going to take any risks. Okay, I'm going to work this out one by one. So it's minus 5 there. I'll go back then, change that to 2, minus 2. I'll go back and change this. So it'll be 3. Factorize then part b, x squared minus 5x. Now in this case, right, it's going to be a single bracket. Okay, right? This is x terms here, x squared here and x here. It's not, if you think of a difference of 2 squares, there's a minus there, but this isn't a square, isn't it? Okay, so that wouldn't apply here. That is a square, but 5x isn't a square of anything. So really it's just a single bracket, and you just take out common factors. Now look for numbers. Any common numbers? No, there isn't. Any common letters? There is, isn't there? There's x. You can take x out. Single bracket. Now what do we times by x to get this? You times by x, don't you? X times x gives you x squared. What do you times by x to get that? Minus 5. Okay, so that's it, right? You factorised out there. Part C, right? Again, we're going to factorise this. 240y take away 360. Right, well, again, they're not squares, right? This is a minus there, but they're not squares. Think about common factors here in terms of numbers. What goes into these two? Well, 120 actually goes into both of them, okay? You've got to take out the highest common factor, so 120 is the biggest. Open bracket then, what do you times by 120 to get 240? Well, that'll be 2, so 2y. And what do you times by 120 to get 360? 3. Solve this then. There's a couple of ways you could do this, right? You could expand this bracket. So 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 11 is 44, minus 44, which equals to 40. And then 12x is equal to 40. Take the minus 44 over. Okay, so 12x then will be 84. And then to get x, then you divide by 12. And you work that out and you calculate, you get 7. The other way you could have done it, right? There is another way. You could have made it like a little bit easier. Because you've got 4 times this bracket, you could take the 4 over, okay, leave the bracket as it is, take the 4 over, because it's times in that bracket, and divide. So you get 3x minus 11 is 10, 3x then is 21, and x is 21 divided by 3, which is 7. It doesn't matter which way, right, because you've got to calculate as well, it doesn't really make any difference, your choice. Part E then, now you've got x on the bottom, you've got to be careful with this. What I would do is take the x up, because you're dividing by x, take it up and multiply. And you've got this. Now you could write that like this. Can you write it the other way round? And then 5x, because you're timesing x by 5, take the 5 over and divide. So you get 9.